these programs. Aduna sige mamang sila ko slogan amtang lawin na siya amtang sanction biro adu like kurumaga akoi ibdo vendau da ngasi akoi yai faraba pungpan sida akoi unari base masigi we will do just one prayer 1 minute prayer and then we will end our program today. Everyone please come closer. Amtang sang biro aduga akoi we are just ending this program in 2 minutes and we will also raise some slogan for all of us. Aduga mayam akoi na resolve tong minagadoy se. We need to resolve today that akoi as a convener of Delhi Metric Coordinating Committee and on behalf of Delhi Manipur Student Association Delhi, you know akoi Unicas and also mayo gi maikai tagi mayam uthagatsari. Aduga Maitai Alliance ki world level mayam singi atoba support ko loyena akoi gi nasigi program si tawjabani Mumbai dagi, Norway dagi, US dagi, Australia dagi, all the Maitai have supported for this program. So if we are united, we can stand together. So today we stand for Manipur and multicultural society. So we Imale Batna Manipur Imana Manipur Bukalu Prukiming the Tugaiba Manipur Bukalu Prukiming the Tugaiba Aduga Amana Queen Wasak Minado say till the ITP return to their home we will fight. Yaigo ma'am Makoy na santri baba akoy nungtigi pong anini matampi siya ba akoy na laying ito ko Masima yabra. Let's resolve today that we will give every 2 hours in every day till the IDPs go to their original home. We will fight in Delhi also. Yes? Yes! Masih wasag minasiko? Yes! Aduga amana till the IDP has get enough resources. Akoy laiba akoy income dagi 1% gumba akoy donate to wagi ready laibam thokpa thoktabra. Are we ready to donate 1% of our income for the defense of the community of the Maitai, of the defense, development and community service? Ma'am, 1% of our income will be donated for the defense and the service and communities of the Manipur. With this, I am tang like Khuraminasi, aduga masiga loinana, akoy na hajari mase, Government of India, please take action against the cookie terrorists or any form of terrorism. Don't compromise with terrorists because you are not doing dialogue with in Jammu Kashmir. You are taking action against the terrorists. Why you are trying to dialogue with the terrorist group? Whoever is doing terrorist activities should be dealt with the law. Do you agree this? Yes. Whoever is violating the Constitution of India should be dealt by the law. Are you agree with this? Yes. Any form of terrorism should be fought by united power. Any form of terrorism will not be acceptable. Let's fight terrorist activities in Manipur. Let's stand for Manipur multicultural society. Manipur is for all the 34 communities and all the people who live in other part of India. So today we are reaffirming that we will give, we will contribute, and we will do any kind of actually our service for the defense of the community. Masi haibagulana akwai ibdo event nauda like khurumbagalana akwai thawai na punta pi khaba akwai lamdam asu ngang na bo hodabada sacrifice ograba akwai yamba badi nau singi dabakta akwai minute amakatang 2 minute lepaga makhoi ki thawai na atma sati oina na bagi namda khoreminasi aduga ibdo event nauda ngasi akwai na pulli bai unity se sigum na mathang da so akwai punma ngamna na khoreminasi mayam punamak akam na se akwai chashin lepaga anda like khoreminasi. Thank you. Aduga Uncle Amir Singh Paul kita mata kubam ta kubiu. Abi koi matam lei ta badai wangang bau hami kitre. So bong walu we gano koi kano ta badagi. Aduga koi group photo umtang kami na siya then we will wind up. Let's manupi sing na mamang ta phambiro. Aduga
it's a huge responsibility that you've put on my shoulders. I will try to wrap up fast. मेरी एक पहले दरखास्त दिल्ली पुलिस से है. ये बहुत ही गंभीर मुद्दा है. जितेंद्र से मेरी दरखास्त है 5-10 मिनट का समय दीजिए, बहुत गंभीर मुद्दा है, 5 मिनट में बात खत्म करेंगे और कंक्लूड करेंगे। आई थिंक यू वांटेड टू गिव मी सम स्कार्फ एंड आई वांटेड टू demonstrate something that how we can all coexist. So whoever is, yes please, thank you. So to demonstrate that coexistence is possible, I want to first tell you that on this very stage in the morning, the Kuki community held their gathering. So if that's possible to do on the same stage, coexistence in the same state is also possible. To demonstrate it further, I want to put on a bag which was given to me by the Kuki community back in 2024 and show you that the Meitei scarf and the Kuki bag, everything can coexist if you have the heart and the desire. The Honorable Member of Parliament spoke about that this is unprecedented. Yes, it is unprecedented and we need to take unprecedented steps, and I'll quickly come to them. But before that, I have 2 suggestions. We need to speak about truth, and for that, what we propose to do is have a Truth and Reconciliation Commission with parties from both sides coming and sharing facts as they are, instead of misinformation being floated, which is the root cause, which is being used by the politicians who only believe in Rajniti. Rajniti is the niti to rule, not govern. So we have to ensure that this is a politics of governance, of harmony, of peace. In my last speech here, I had proposed that we send 1,000 trees from the Meitei community to the Kuki community. So on that endeavor, today I am pledging that the first sapling I will donate to you for sending to the community of the Kuki people, and the rest 999 DMCC and other people put together. Can we take a pledge together today that we will send fruit-bearing saplings so that we can shift from hatred to peace and from drugs to trees? Can we all take a pledge on that? Thank you very much. Now this problem is also partly not only because the government facilitated an arms handover and this massacre, it is also because almost all constitutional institutions failed this country and this state. This includes the Supreme Court of India, because it has not listed the matter for about a year and a half now. Had the Supreme Court heard the matter in the very first week, none of us would have been here. And this is a trend which is there in the Supreme Court today. And the Supreme Court needs to be rectified, and that's why I am calling for a march in May. The march to the Supreme Court on the 9th of May at 11 a.m. Let the whole country come together and demand that the Supreme Court work as per its duties, responsibilities and mandate, and not per as its whims and fancies. Will you all join on the 9th of May at 11 a.m. at the Supreme Court? I don't hear a resounding yes. Honorable Member of Parliament, I have a very special request for you. Honorable Member of Parliament, 2 days ago, I have moved Honorable Member of Parliament, this is my specific request for you. I want your attention for just a minute. This entire issue is also because the President of India failed to act in time. We have let 270 people die, but we are ready to go to war for 26 people who have died in Kashmir. This is the state of this country. So, Honorable Member of Parliament, my request to you amongst other members of Parliament is that I have moved a representation for the impeachment of the President of India on the grounds of her laxity for Manipur issue, which has led to a total collapse of national security, something which even Pakistan and China have not been able to do. And that's why she deserves to be impeached, and this impeachment can only happen through the parliament. So I hand over the reins for this cause to the member of parliament to take this up in the parliament. And my last concluding thought, today I also held a small protest gathering, and I am going to submit a memorandum. This memorandum is related to my last speech here, which was about that Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Ajit Doval, Ajay Bhalla, all of these people deserve to be in Tihar jail. Today I am moving a memorandum to General Upendra Dwivedi, the Chief of Army Staff, for the arrest of Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Ajit Doval, Ajay Bhalla, and everyone else responsible. And this arrest should happen by the 10th of May, not the 10th of May 2026, by the 10th of May 2025. And if they don't do it, we will all gather outside at Kartavya Path on the 10th of May evening and ensure that this work is done, because this is...
ngasi asigumlaba pangthokibwa mifam asigi mari leina wafam se hui yam tha machupna nainarga so sugloi loi daba wafam oi adu aigi matungda so koigi ikai khumajara bai koigi our koigi honorable member of parliament koi ozabimol hoisu leibam nina sindi langbi de singi makai de engonda minute manga kaki matam pi adu bai minute manga phana matam lugjaroi yam tiat bo phom khaktang ai ngasi tinbiri ba Delhi de lebiri ba alaman imaibel maru pang isina wisali se koi khibika punna koi bharat ke honorable prime minister Sri Narendra Modi ji gi mafam da akoi manipuri khuding makna punna longmina ba yaba mafam amakhaktang ai miyam ga punna longmina na bagi thorang tuk jage aikoi yamna sangna Sri honorable prime minister of India Sri Narendra Modi ji gi magi punging gi wa man ki baat we the Manipuri have been hearing the Man Ki Baat of our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji for a many years. Aikoina Manipuri singna Manipur Bharat ki Pradhan Mantri Sri Narendra Modi ji gi pungingi wa Man Ki Baat aikoi matam sang na Manipuri singna ngasi phawba tadro lai adubo ngasi Bharat ki Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji na Manipuri singi Man Ki Baat tabi rabra tabi dibra mayam isagi thamoi da hangbiyo adu iba targadi akoi punna we the Manipuri the citizen of India humble request to the honorable our Prime Minister we the Manipuri have the honor to request you to kindly hear the Man Ki Baat of Manipuri. Hojikti Manipuri singi thamoi gi warol Manipuri singi pungning gi wa tabi ba tam yore Sri Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji na aduna lagliba mafam asimakta da so Delhi da lebiri ba organization singna senbi langbeyo lagliba megi aroiba Nawajing Namaki Man Ki Baat koi Manipuri da achauba miyam hubna Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji ki All India Radio da tha khudingi aroiba Nawajing Namita sandokpa pung ayuki pung tarama thoi da sandokpa Man Ki Baat Manipuri singna sang na tadno lagaso lagliba megi aroiba Nawajing Namita Manipur da miyam hubna boycott tawna bage khoi punabag thorang bal loisare maram masina Delhi da lebiri ba jantar mantar hariba ngasigi mafam asimakta da prithibi sin bathungna prithibi ki leba khunyak ki mamang da Bharat ki Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ki ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯜ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯕꯣꯏꯀꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯦꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯪꯍꯜꯂꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ
opportunity to share a few things. Ngasigi akoigi what we are saying today, asking the government of India not to divide Manipur. Why that this kind of a sentence has to come today at Jantar Mantar after 2 years of mayhem that has been seen on May 3, 2023. What things could have controlled in the early part of the conflict, it hasn't been done. It was lack of coordination. It was something beyond the control at that time, or was it part of something? After 2 years of analysis, the people are asking today. Different reports, different things are coming up. But today, representing women also, as Amaitai women also, where we have bared lots of burdens. The 7 years dissertation after the kings of Myanmar, they defeated the kings of Manipur. What is hardship the people of Manipur had known? But when there is a saying that the righteous, they may fall 7 times, but they rise up 7 times. This is something that we need to remember. People have been killed. Women have been killed. Their houses burned. They have been displaced. But still people are asking, we do not like this kind of structure or system in our state. What is happening to the women in the relief camp? Why are not the issues of displaced people not taken seriously? Will they be taken as always as a collateral damage? Yes, in the theory of war and conflict, some people will be killed, some people will be maimed, some people will be displaced. But when on the other side we are talking about human rights, human development. What is happening to the human development in the state of Manipur since the last 2 years? Today, are we commemorating, or are we pleading, or are we asking normalcy to return back? If there is a will, there is a will. अगर कुछ सही कदम उठाना चाहते हैं तो कदम भी उठा सकती है. So, ये बात है कि why when the common people are asking for clarion call, what has been muddied, what has been dirtied in the socio-political structure of Manipur, why not the government is not taken up? It is not about shaking the responsibility. Earlier when the elected government was there, the leader of the elected government was blamed for all the mishandling things. But there were a lot of miscommunications, or there were a lot of gaps that we have seen within these 2 years. And when we are talking about justice, without truth can there be justice? If on the other side, the common Kuki people are asking for truth and justice, the common people of Maitai are also asking for truth and justice. And who is going to give this truth and justice? Government of Delhi or the government? Now in Manipur there is no government. President rule is there. The guns and bombs that has been pelted has stopped. It is just like the direction of the wind of the violence has been stopped for some time. But mere absence of violence, anything can happen. Just as an ignition point, things should not be kept like this for long. It harms the psychology of the people. It creates a divide. First of all, what the people want, the free movement of the people within the state to take out the buffer zone, and the word used by the government itself of buffer zone should not be used at all. This is a wrong concept used within the state. For what reason? Many have always said that why this has been used. And regarding that, if geopolitics is the real problem, if the people who are armed, who have an understanding under the terminology of the Sioux is the problem, please solve it. What is the plan of the government? Because we have a long history of insurgency in the state of Manipur. In order to control insurgency, please do not use one community against the other, because this is going to create division. This is like during the British Raj, divide and rule. The British Raj has gone, but the legacy of British Raj should not be let survive in the state of Manipur. Aduna, what we wanted to say is that, and today, as we all have been asking, some voices have been silenced. The silence of innocent women and children killed, especially the Jiribam killings. Who is going to give them justice? Almost an entire family, the 8-month-old baby, the 8-year-old girl. During the Pahalgam killings, the terrorists coming from Pakistan, as it has been reported, they were not killing the women and the children, they were killing the men. But in Manipur, women and children are being killed. And the response that we have seen in the Pahalgam killings and the Jiribam killings is very, very pathetic. Don't look biased. A leader who looks or acts biased, people lost their faith and trust. So I request the government of India not to be like that, and please try to solve ways for solution and not to heed to those who wanted to divide Manipur or who wanted to create division among the Manipuris. Because 34 communities live together. The divide due to ethnicity in the 1960s in the formation of different states has created a problem, and this is going to create problem, has been predicted by different political scientists of the 1960s, and what we are seeing in 2023 is exactly that is happening. So stop the mistake, don't divide Manipur, don't create division, take out the buffer zone, whatever element that is creating problem, try to solve it within your own structure. Your arms are long. If you want to solve it, you can solve it. This is what I wanted to keep on behalf of the Meitei and especially the women of Manipur, because we are suffering a lot.
Coming here in Delhi, the capital of the nation, and speaking about the state of Manipur and staging protests by the people of Manipur staying here. I'm very thankful to the organizer for inviting me here and to share some of my thoughts with what's happening in Manipur and why is it happening and how is it being tackled by the government of India. Ladies and gentlemen, Ima Singh, Amadegi Ahalaman Singh. Now, before I start my speech, I'll say that India has failed Manipur. India has failed Manipur. India has failed Manipur. The Constitution of India is no longer executed in the state of Manipur. People of Manipur has been violated their rights. That isn't guaranteed under the Constitution of India. Imagine the Article 19 of the Constitution. You all are literate people and you all be knowing that the Article 19 provides the free movement for all people, free speech, free things, everything there. And the Article 14 talks about right to life, 21, and then again Article 26 which talks about freedom to choose any religions, and then Article 29, 30. These are the things that the Constitution has provided. They are free movement. Free movement has been guaranteed under the Constitution of India in all part of India. But what's happening in Manipur right now? The Bheli people, whom they call as Meitei, the Manipuris Bheli people, whom they call as Meitei, they were, kept stranded, surrounded by Kuki militants, armed Kuki militants. And then the authority don't care. First, when this crisis started on May 3, 2023, there was a popular government, which is also, a BJP-led government, and the center is also having a BJP government there. They told that it's a double-engine government and no need to fear. The crisis will end soon. They will find a solution. That's what they have been talking about, and you know, it goes on, it continues till February 9, when the then Chief Minister, Sri Biren Singh, tendered his resignation for reason best known, whether he himself accepted that he cannot rule, he cannot solve the problem, so he tendered his resignation, or he was forced to tender resignation. That was another matter. Let's let that matter aside. On 13th of February, the President rule came, and then I was the first person, perhaps, from among the newspaper that has been printed and published in Imphal, that praised the President rule, that welcomed the President rule, hoping that it will bring normalcy in the state of Manipur. So when the President rule came, there were many expectations, because, you know, he seems to, the A.K. Bella, Mr. Honorable Governor, he seems to have taken up many things, many initiatives. When he first became the governor, when he handled the situation there, mana governor had president rule had thamba matamduda, a lot of expectation for him because of the way he had taken up. Mana, he visited Churchampur, visited meet those Kuki-Zo Council, the civil society. Aduga, that civil society, that whom he talked, says that they are not in the condition to, you know, propose anything to end this violence, but they will follow to what the Sioux cadre, Sioux elements had dictated to them. This was the first word reported in the newspaper. So, and then, you know, the so-called representative of the Kuki-Zo people, I'm talking about the 10 MLA who has been demanding separate administration. When called for talk, I was told that they go with the same tune, that they will follow to the rules of, you know, to the dictate of the Sioux people. Sioux people means those under suspension of operation, Kuki militants. So every organization, Kuki civil society organization, they go in the same word, saying that they will follow what the Sioux people have told them to talk. That was one. Aduna Kuki militant sing sina haiba Sioux da leiriba Kuki militant sing sina haiba khudimak illaga chakani na hairiba adugumba militant kano singdo adu regadi akoina kanai degi kari khange habdamda root cause of this crisis is the Sioux militant sing sina maram oraga thon mane se akoina khange aduna leiriba Sioux militant sing se abrogation tawaina haibasi. We haven't, you know, all the civil society, excluding some frontal of the Kuki so-called militant group, were demanding abrogation of the Sioux. Even the government of Manipur has decided to, you know, abrogate Sioux, and two of the militant group, they already have abrogated Sioux. And the State Assembly, they have resolved to recommend the government of India to abrogate Sioux. Nothing has been taken up, it just remains, it continues. Shoes na thon mani khang khang na sum continue tawraga lehalakanda hujikse chahini. Today we have completed 2 years, and then IDP sing mafam khudimakta akoigi waraga loina leiba lambi soroka thoga pochai akoigi yolakanda moina sajabado adu leibagi phibam su mayam ama leiyaba ko. Egg of terrorism say loinamak akoina condemn tawe. I appreciate our Prime Minister Narendra Modi when he said that we will, you know, finish off all terrorists and their backup when Pahalgam incident, terror attack happened on 22 April. So when 6 people, including 3 women and 3 minors, including a 8-month-old infant, were kidnapped and slaughtered, murdered. No words comes from the center, no words come from the PM, Prime Minister, no condemnation comes from any of the leadership of the Indian government. The act of terrorism committed at Jiribam on November 2024, killing six people, including 3 women and 3 children, is the most heinous crime and the most the bloodiest act of terrorism. So my question here comes here: is the government of India distinguish terrorists into 2 groups? Is there a good terrorist or bad terrorist there? Is the India government consider the terrorists in Manipur as a good terrorist, and then is the terrorists when they consider the terrorists that attack, kill civilian in Pahalgam as good terrorists? Then what is the use? What is the use of being in citizen of India, living merging to the Indian Union? India Union da koina yauraga leirubasi masigi kanabasi kari oidorinoba kariginoba makoina afaba terrorist amadi fattaba terrorist haina ani khaidongna thambagi mawongda sugi elements sing cookie singi da leiriba terror act toriba angang haliba, and then sidai sida leiriba security, Indian security force sida thialiba photo singse, the militant kill them, are not the terrorists, and nothing has been taken up against the cookie terrorists. For what reason? Why? For why? Karigi damakta no ba makoidana terrorist ki pot se akoina adum saugalaga thamaga somna sabida thambagi mong ama leiri se ani thokna khaido isina takpadi kaino si Manipur si India gi yamna manung hakchin ba state amani na moina lawribra lawdabra haidune ba. Manipur is being treated as state akoigi moigi protection gi damakta natragana some akoigi namdaraga thambiba state motherly treatment amada thambiba aduguma state amani ana adumaina lowbada akoigi akaiba ama lairaktre adu akoina khangdaba amana India government gi attitude sida Manipur de yengiba miyengse masidai sida crisis solution ge Manipur ki crisis solution ge haibagi kano ama bhawa ude habsidi March 1 da Home Minister na review meeting lauraga magi order da March 8 gi free movement thamgani hairaga adugi potu fail hen kiba madu fail hoibagi maram na karigino haiba matamda factor mayam amasu adum leire maiba moina hana intelligence input lauk daba adum bagi factor mayam du dagi leiriba India government gi keno sida akoi gi moina sam akoi jing ngatan hara hon na bagi mong ama khakta chathaba manba pot ama chatharak padune ba leirise aduga aina 65 gi matang sida haininga pa pot mayam ama lei India na Manipur phanayam na thugai ba honaragasu they will never succeed. When Telangana na koi gi keno dagi Hyderabad ki chatkiba matam du dadi makoi na chatkriba do adu moi gi keno ama ka purpose ama yaurga historical fact me ama yaurga chatli baneba aduga India gi mapan dagi India gi state ama same tawnaba gi damakta khulai pairaga lan hon ba yariba India sibu what kind of government is this? Are they sponsoring terrorism in the state of Manipur? Are they harboring terrorism in the state of Manipur? Kulai paidana tawba protest kulai pahalaga tawrise. What is the reason behind that and why they are supporting that? Aduga aina masi masumaya da hajaram ke masi ki pot sumaya me khambi gadamne. I had an interaction with the IGAR South in Imphal, and then when I asked that the suspension of operation has been lapses last year in 28 February, why they are not being arrested by the security forces? Manakari Hari Kambra. Suspension of operation say it's an instrument to bring peace. Say, all right, I know suspension of operation is an instrument to bring peace. But what I am asking is it still existing or is it still going on? Unless and until there is a directives from the union government, we cannot say that it is abrogated. Abinga tapadi hujiksu suspension of operation chanari habase lairiba IGR shop ki kano duna DG duna hiram bane ba khoida adudi karino ba chathari se somdana akhoi gi interlocutor oibiriba AK Misrana akhoi gi kano singda akhoi gi lairiba civil society organization singdana review tawgani masigi se phana ba hona gani haiba ma haire ada point ama laigre ko minam bagi point ama aduga amana Governor of Manipur na thokpa order amada illegal weapon, illegal and looted weapons should be surrendered within 7 days. I have never. Although many surrendered the weapon, aduda phong we will not surrender the weapon na harak pase. Those ITLF ki oriba ladiba adagi Kukizo Council ki oriba makoi sing sina surrender tawroi na phong lawrak pada. Nothing happened. No action has been taken. Manipur na combing Impal manung na combing pangtau da tawi aduga swaida phong na akoi khulai pikhaloi haiba sing dugi mathakta di kariguma action na mata lokhatana leigi aba achumna tawraiba mong sing sida suspension of operation ni hariba kangu se they never fire even a single gunshot to the security forces of India. Hareba ko all right good but Moiga suspension of operation tawba matamda moida lairiba khulai sing se how many weapons are they having? Ba suspension of operation tawgiba matamda moina pariba khulai se adugi matik yamkre total arms se moigi akhoi lairiba se UPF ki da total arms se akhoi chahumga kunga mari ammunition se yamkre aduga Chaniga kunga taruk amana keno gi kangu siga moina signature sign tongna ki matam du pai bulin khulai ne ba adusu dosa American made adigi kano Chinese made mam khulai mam du ne sophisticated weapon ngak ta ne ba sophisticated weapon mam pai ba do hujik moida leiramba masing du dagi hujik double the time single le se khangi bane ba aduga sophisticated weapons do su de yane na moi tamis thamaga su tong naraga su madugi khulai sing dubu legal weapon la duga legitimize kamaina tawri no haise India government aina objective question tawning eba I want to ask to the government of India how the sophisticated weapon procured by this armed cookie militant are legitimized. Why are they allowed to keep this weapon with them? Is it to kill the Meitei people, or not only Meitei, all the Manipuri people, including all those communities, ethnic communities? Is there an agenda of that? The so-called proxy were often mentioned by the civil society leaders of Manipur. Is it true? Are we going to say that? Are we going to assume that it's really a proxy war against the Meitei people and the other ethnic Manipuri people who have been living together for thousands and thousands of years and who got independent from the British as a princely state and then later merged to the Indian Union with an agreement. Don't forget about this. With an agreement. If there is an agreement, there is also international law that protects the state of Manipur. Manipur was merged with 8,000 square miles to the Union of India. And then those states, which was merged to the Union of India with a boundary, territorial boundary, is protected under the UTI Pusititas jury of the international law. This should also be noted, and scholar here sitting in front of me, scholar here studying in university and doing, some may be doing law degree, they should go more on this to, fight if any case happen in the state of Manipur. We should not let it go free. We should use all legal weapon. All legal weapon, when I say legal weapon, it's not about guns or bayonets or anything. I'm talking about, the proper channel. Where should we go? To the Supreme Court, to the International Court, ICC, so and so. These are the forum that we can go in a peaceful manner and we can fight any attempt to distort the state of Manipur. For that, our intellectuals, our brothers and sisters who are doing in the universities, who are doing PhD, they should go more on this. Shugida Yaukiba, there are some ground rules in the SHU. When they signed it in 2008 August, there are some round and then extended on 2011. There are provision in the ground rule that they will not recruit any new cadres. Recently, 4 cadres were arrested. 4 cadres belonging to the KNF were arrested from Kangkopi area. Their age were nearly 20s. They were all teens. Makoina matamduda, so when they signed the agreement and when they extended the suspension of operation agreement, you know, there was provision that no recruitment will be taken up, no arms will be procured, nothing extortion and so, nothing will be done. These are the provisions written in the ground rule. But four person who is less than 20 years were arrested as a KNF cadre. Then how could we say that they do not violate the ground rules provided in the SHU agreement? 2011, imagine 2015. Then at the time of signing the agreement, they might have been at least 2-3 years old, or some might not have been born. And when now they are recruiting these people. So recruiting people is a direct violation of the ground rule of suspension of operation. And extortion, they have signed that we will not extort money from anybody, we will not threaten anybody for money. These are the things that they agreed. And then in the highway, what happened? Everybody know how many rupees they have, how many, they have been collecting illegal tax from the truckers, all those traveling along the highways. These are real facts. And then when this happened, why the suspension of operation should continue and why should not it be abrogated at this time? To bring peace in the state of Manipur, the root should be, plucked out. The root of this crisis should be, okay. The root, sigi root oriba su se, akoina puktok kadabaneba. Adu puktok tana sum thamtargadi crisis is sum continue tawr lerani. Aduna takpadi Manipur se macet tugaina bagi plan ama agenda ama lerabra. Hai bagi port ama akoi delay because of some moigi oiba manungi oiba plan orambaya. Aduna maram oiraga makoina Manipur tugaragadi. Don't ever expect that the people of Manipur will remain silent. There will be another, big uprising. Whether we may have guns or not, we still have our courage, and we still have our courage for our mother Manipur, and we will fight anybody who comes after us.
Meitei communities, we are peace-loving communities, but we will not. Don't underestimate us that to divide and rule Manipur. For Manipur unity and Manipur progressive, and for each and every citizen of Manipur will stand together. Akoi soidana punna leminagani leptana sulakani. Akoi ipa ipu singna chai lising kaya dagi lamba sagalamba se. You cannot just over 1-2 year or something else. You cannot just destroy it. Mayam punna mutang imalebang yai fare lauminasi amadi kaugru kagani haiba lauminasi thangjing kagani haiba lauminasi akoi ngasi kaino sida kitang akoi lingjen banaminasi akoi mikap ti thoe haugat padi wali punnam ta hogan minasi amadi akoi athau basing na ngasi thawai kat khiba akoi Manipur gi ngamkai kaibi aroi haibase sida so akoi punnam tang lauminasi Manipur gi ngamkai akoi kaugru akoi thangjing akoi kondong lambe Manipur gi ngamkai Ima Manipur na. Since today is May 3rd, the dark chapter of Manipur, and you have already seen what is happening since last 2 years in Manipur. The so-called illegal immigrants, narco-terrorists, Kuki-Zo community, who has challenged the pillar of democracy, legislature, executive and judiciary. You have seen it. They defy all the laws of democracy. Despite all this, the central government is keeping silent without an eye for the people of Manipur. So we have the right to raise our voice. Imagine it. On May 3rd, in Churchandpur district, Kangpokpi, More, which were dominated by the Kuki-Zo communities with sophisticated arms like AK-47, AK-56, in front of the Central Security Forces, they are killing the Meitei communities and torturing, burning the houses. So, just ask yourself, where is the Armed Force Special Power Act? Where is the Armed Force Special Power Act which you have imposed in Manipur? Are you going to keep silent? Mayam to kanbiu. May thaki kaino duda Armed Force Special Power Act leda akoi chingi lamda amadi atay areas ta hairib neba. Aduga sophisticated weapon fire ga AK-47, 56 fire ga Meitei sing the kapa armed civilians ko nupi ngang sing da amadi yum mai thaba amadi torture rape na sing ba amadi angang sing da ot panai ba myam to sida Armed Force Special Power Act to krai lai garage ba adui matam central force sing sina gadaba moi without kaino authority of power to krai lai garage ba protection of the civilians aduga hujina ona taina ba matamda and now you are imposing more and more armed force special power acts to the valley areas sibu karamba constitution ki law no ba amadi ngasi lapiri ba akhoi gi IDP victims sillaga akhoi gi ngasai habiramba ichan sing purumak tai na haijaning bari wakhan chonda bigino Delhi dasu amadi atai malem nge mafam khurimak dasu Meitei irisha myamam leide akhoi Meitei nongsa Popi athobi ngaktani wakhan chonda bigano no manatri no madi will take it will overcome it akhoi leiriba sidasu youth sing amadi akhoi gi leiriba Manipur dasu atai mafam khudimak dasu ngasi lauduna lai amadi akhoi angangam thodang lauraga ngasi lakpani amadi akhoi makata na su tawdagini until unless Manipur is safe and peaceful mayam jabi ningra amadi ngasi akhoi Manipur gi beauty of Manipur let us see akhoi ethnic communities 34 laibasida punna nungsi chanana lainaba we have always been demanding for that akhoi Amit Pawar ji ngasi lai ko thank you Amit Pawar ji and Oja Saron Leon thank you ma'am for coming
Manipur gi oi bada ko ai ima icha ai icha ai chugi oi bada kitang pena hangja hoge aduga mafam jida la ingai jida aina wakpati yang wakaninga ju upai leite akhoi Manipur gi hoji dawi ba phibam je amukdam phanana balayeng bibada ka oi ba ado layeng baji laira dana adom henjalak pada pia laira ju laitraga ju hoji cham manari baje manadana ba Manipur da sarakar aphaba ma darkar oi Manipur da saraka aphaba ma thaman biyo aduga inya tamya da lairiba angang mayam phariba pulli baje sijo amukdang phadana ba ngasi haiba numita chahi ani pharakpa icha singna layoi khraba punamak sigi loinamak lepa oirasanu haidana aina haijaninge ngangning madi ngangning aju yam ngangthok pa yadaba aduga pial leiba leitaba adu ada loin tokhoga Manipur da sarakar aphaba man laihanbiyo yam thuna pia lauthokpiro sarakar chembiro aduga Manipur chati oihanbiro si haijaraga loisanjage ba
khorimjari ngasi Manipur da thoiba tangdu leita da bagi fema asina chahi ani mapung pharak paga loina na pangthok leba mitham asida ai yoi ba ten takpa wafong khara thamjage मणिपुर की तंदू लेतादब फिवम असी चही अनि फारब फावदा करिगिदमक्ता सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ना इरांग असी लोशनबा ngamdribano masida tongan tongan ba public opinion sing mayam amsu leigre leiriba oiriba lan asi India government gi adugumba proxy war ni haiba phau hainaribani masi chungani haina su khali maramdi ngasi mapalamdagi changsil leiba kuki militant sing asina proxy army oina sijina bagi mami tari aduduga India government na su proxy army asibu yokhatlaga thambagi mami su tari masi aina haizari bagi maramdi ahambada hojik manipur government hana leiramba hojik totally defang oikre leiriba phibam sida manipur da pr la aba matungda mayamna prajana santi hanjalak lagani haina yamna achoba thajaba tawrambani adubu hojik manipur gi governor na yamna bias leitaba mawong amada yengba ngamdabagi phibam fawba ure leibak miyamna yamna neutral oiba adugumba pr amakhak lak matamda leiriba irang si suksoi soidana central government na leiriba kanglup ani gi marakta bias leitaba adugumba miding yengani haina leiramba adu hojik central government gi adugumba miding fawba kariguma amata uraktre aduna hojik manipur da thoiba violence state government ki failure khakta natana central government gi achowa failure ama lei haibasidi yamna mayek sengna urabani khanglabani aduna hojik leiriba central government gi adugumba pr gi lengak sina manipur gi irang asi losin bangamdre haibasi yamna mayek sengna ure ani subda haukiba chahi ani sigi manungda orakliba phibam asida mapandagi changsilakpa tongan ba central paramilitary forces sing central forces mayam amakhaksu hojik manipur gi oriba phibam sida atopa kanglup maruoina hojiki kuki hariba jati asida hena bias oibagi ofam phawbu leiri hojik chingi saruk amadi tamgi saruk ani asida tongan ba mijing yengbagi wafam su leiri valley ki saruk khaktada mi phaba punbagi wafam kya ama leire manipur gi valley da munki haiba khulai phawba surrender tawbagi wafam leiraba phawbada chingi saruk singdadi surrender tawbagi wafam leite makhoi surrender tawroi haibagi wafam phawna thambagi thamba leire ahum subada aduna uriba phibam sida center na hojik manipur si karama meeting da yengbage kanglup ani kuki natraga na maitegi wafam tokraga India gi asuk chawba state mayam sigi manungda manipur gumba leingak leitraba leibak asida central na kari miyeng yengi center na ekoi manipur si India gi part ama nati haina khallabra natraga center na ekoi manipur si neglect tawraga thambasina maram oiraga hojik geopolitical gi khudong saba launabagi damakta lan se he na makha chathalabra haibagi wafam adu khandaba ngamde mari subada ngasidagina hapta ama nigi mamangda thokiba Jammu and Kashmir gi Pahalgam gi terrorist attack ta India gi maru oina की पर्सन मैम मसीगी मतंग अचौब रिव्यू मीटिंग तौख्रे इंडिया की पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी फाउब यूए की खोंसत थादोकलमलगा इंडिया दा हलपगी वाफम लेरी एट द सेम टाइम इंडिया की होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह ना पहलग्राम दा खुदक संगसिनबगी वाफम ले अदुबु मणिपुर की मिसी मिना कया अमा याउरिबा युम कई मै कया अमा मै थाख्रबा मियोय लिसिंग हुपु हेनमना लेफम चाफम खंगदना रिलीफ कैम्प दा लेरकलबा मियोय क्या मांगखिबा नुपी अंगांग याउना मियोय तरु फाखिबना चिंगबा हारिबा थौदोसिंग थोख्रबा फाउबदा तोंगान बा हारिबा की पर्सनालिटी इंडिया गवर्नमेंट की सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की पर्सनालिटी सिंग कंडेम तौबगी वहम लेते मसीदा अइना हाइजनिंगलिबदी सेंटर ना मणिपुर दा यामना अकुबा मियेंग अमा येंगी हाइबसिनी लोसिलपदा सेंटर ना मणिपुर दा येंगलिबा अकुबा मियेंग थादु अमसुंग मणिपुर की अपुनबगी सत्तम थुगाइबा यारोय मणिपुर की टेरिटोरियल इंटीग्रिटी कैदोनुंगदा मणिपुर की इमा मपाडी ममोम लोइसिंगना कैदोनुंगदा काइहलोय मसीदा सिंगनरक खुदिमक थेंगनागनी अचाकपो मैदा सेंटर ना गी हाइजिनबगी थबक तोपिरो हाइबा वहम सि थमगा आई हैव टेंशन
की थाट में से यामना लाइबक थिबा मंगदसु थोक्तबासु ओइसनु हाइना मतुंगदा अमु हन्नासु थोक्तबा ओइसनु हाइना आई ईश्वरदै खुरमजरी अदुगा नुमित से यामना अखोइगी मैतै मसा अमा ओइबगी लिंगजेन मांगबा हाइगदरा लिंथौना लेतबा हाइगदरा नुमितुदा ओइना थोखरे नुमितसिदा आई नुथिनगी पुंग अनि मुक तारकपा मतमसिदा आई दुकान तवी अदुगा सप्लाई सु तवे दुगा नुमित से आइगी सप्लाई तौबा मी आइगी द थंबा मी सिंगसु लोइनमक सुटी ने हाइना सखिबा अदुगा आइगी कस्टमर खरा लागा थोंगजे काउसिन बिरमेबा आइदी जिंगाना लोइना खारगा लेबा युमनेबा थोंगजे काउसिन बिरमे आइना करिगिनो हाइरकांदा ngasi banne karigi thong hangino aina moina काउसिन बिरमे आइसु मोइगा मराइसि यामना येना बतन बिगी दमकता आइसु गसी बन्ने थों हांगे आयुंगा दुकान गा पुनबनिना थों मी अमा लेबनिना थों दि खितंग दा हांगफम थोइ हाइदुनै जो हांगबनि हाय मोइना आइसे करेम नबगी टाइप ता यामना मी उसितबगी फी जे सुमाइना सिंगे बा इंगोंदा फी सिंगी से मरम करिगिनो आइदी लुखराबी आइना दुकाल फमगा इसा सेमगा इसा युगलकपनि मोइना अखोइ मितेगिदी लेखिद्रबा इपुरोइबसे अखोइ दुक थंगमै थारगा इसोरने न खोइदि खोइरमजे अदुबो मोइना ऐसे लुखाबिने क्रमाइना खंगी दुख थंगमै थाबो नुमित खुदिंगी दुख थंगमै थाबसे मोइना खंगी अदुना मोइना ऐसे यामना उसितबगी मोंग दे फीजे सिंगी फी सिंगबा मतमसिदा इना नोय अदुगुम्बा हाउनागी सत्नबिदो अखोय मैतैदा दुगुम्बा यादे हारगाइसे मोइजे इंथोगा आइगी दुकान गी लंबीदगी थोंग अमदगी आइजे थोगा सेंथोए सेंथोए अखोयगी ममांगदा लेबा दुकान अमा खक्ता आइजे चंगगा ngaihak leirame ngahak leiramaga pung amamuk leiramba matungda आइसे अमु हले हलक्पा मतमदा मोइसे लेरमदरे लेरमदबदगी आइसे अमु सिदी मोइ चखरेना हाइन आई इमुंगी थबक तौरगा लेरे इमुंगी थबक तौरगा लेबा मतुंगसिदा अमुका पुंग अहुमुक तारकपा स्वाइदा अमुक लाए मोइ मी कुनमुक लाए अदु मतमदना मी कुनमुक लाकपसे अखोयगे युमलो नरिबा सिंगसिजु मागी मागी निमितसिदा इरांग लेबनिना पुन्ना पुन्ना लेनाखिबिगी अचिकपा जगा मफम ओइबा अचिकपा जगा मफम ओइबनिना मोइनासु अमुक चंगे संगागा आइगी थोंग कौखाइबा अदुदगी दी गेट थुगाइबा खरा हौरे मोइसना अइना करिगिनो हाइरा कानसिदा मोइन हाय मुआ सुंगांगांग दबिदा मोइन अमुकासु फीजे सिंगे अइना नोय अदु करिगिनो वारी फजना सनाजे नोइन आइगी फी सिंगे मरम करिगिनो हार कांदा आइगी फीजे मोइना सुमाइना सिंगबसिदा आइजु सावरगा आइगी होटल गी लेबा थांगे सटला कांदा अइना थांग ना मंगाका सुमाइना थम्मेबा करिगिनो नोइना नुपीदा दुमाइ तौई मरम करिगिनो हारगा आइजे थांगा सुमाइना थम्मगा आइजे थांगना मोइदा सुमाइना मु अम्मगा आइजे सेंथोगा लेकाय अमदा अखोयगी थंगनाबा लेकाय अमदा आइजे चटलगा लेरे लेकाय अमदा चटलगा लेरे मोइसु दुम लिहौरे आइसु इसा सिंगदो लेतबनिना इतों खक्ता लेबा तंजा ओइबनिना अदुबो अदु मोइसे चखरबा मतुंगसिदा आइजे इतोंदा हाइदोक्सिरा हाइरगासु इकाइबा हाइबदि लुखराबिनी अदुगिसु मथक्ता नुपी हाइबसिदि लुखराबि हाइबसिदि मी नंग आइबु नुक्सिबा लै आइबु नुक्सिदबा ngangnabibा लै अदुगुम्बा लैबगी आइजु हाइदोक्तरे आइजे तुमिना अदुम लेरे लेरकांदा खंगहौदना अमुकमु पुंग मरी तारकपा साइवाइसिदा अखोय लेकाइगी क्लब की आंगांसिंग अदुगा खुमुजामबगी आंगांसिंग खरा लाए अखोय युमसिदा लाकपा मतमसिदा मोइन हाय इसे नंगी थांग पियो हाय अइना करिगिनो हारगा आइगिदि ngसागी दुकान फंबनिना होटल तौबनिना लाई हराउबगी पोट जोनबा पोट म्याम स्टॉक तौरगा लेबदो सेंबी साबिनबा लेतबगी उवा लौसिलगा लेबदो मोइना मतेंग पांगबिरगा सेंबी दुइनी हाइना खनबगी आसादा आइसु थांगजे पिए मोइदा थांगजे मोइना लौरगा आइगी उवा लेबसिंजे मोइ का इसे होराइ पियो जुपी पियो हाय पिरे इसे नौरी मरीगा नौरी मरु मार्बल लेबियो हाय आई कैदौनबनो हाय मोइ इसे पीदे पियो हाय अदुदा ngasi sida phamiba mama sigi ai he jummanak dukan phaminaba mama ne mama sida ye nauri maruga marbol se leiraga piya ngang sing sida moin hai je nang ngasi di natom da leiganu irang leigani angang sidi hai aina angang sidi akhoi gi thokpa akhoi ge leimina khage ije di mayam gi marak ta tin garo hai hai aduda muk lekai gi mi mayam se duty jasi hai nai se duty se le halakpa matam de ni kana so leiram dare अखोई लेकाई मई थारे है अखोई लेकाई की मई थारप मतमसिना पुंग तरुक मिनिट मंगा स्वाइदगी अखोई लेकाई ममांग लेकाई सिदा मई थाबा हौरे मई थारपदगी मागी मागी लोइन अहनसिंग अंगांसिंग ग्यान मेन तादबी नोंमैना कपकपदा नोंमैना पानबा अदुदगी दि सिलिंडर युमगी मई चाकला अबनिना सिलिंडर पोखाइरप मयामसिंग सिदा पाखटपा थुकटपा मयाम बीपी स्टॉक तौबा अहन मयाम अमसु लेबनिना कराइदा थमजिगे हाइना मोइजे पुनसिनरगा थम्मे मसी मदा ओरगसु लेफम खंगदे कमाइ तौरकनी खोइजि हिंगना दुम मै थारदरा हाइना मरकसिदा अखोइ मयामना थौना लेरगा अखोइ बुंगापी सेनबियु हाइदुना अखोइगी इमा इपानी खल्लगा थागथिबा एलएम खौतेदा अखोइ लेकाइगी क्लब की सेक्रेटरी अमदी मैरा पाइबी इमा मयाम अदुदगी मैतै सोसाइटी मयामदा एलएम खौतेदा फोन तौई अखोइ लेकाइसे मै थारे कनबियु हाइना मतमदुदा मा अखोइ कनबिनबा थोलखिदे अदुगी मतुंग अमु पुलिस स्टेशन दा फोन तौई फोन तौबा मतमदा पुलिस स्टेशन की पुलिस अमता लागा अखोइ बुंगापी सेनबिरपा ngamgide सिफाई बेसेप दा फोन तौई लापीगिदे 27 सेक्टर दे लेबा आसाम राइफल दा फोन तौई अखोइ बुंगापी सेनबिरपा ngamgide अदुबो लेबक यामना थीबा हाइगदरा लेबक यामना फबा हाइगदरा अखोइ जे मई जे थारगा लोइन अखोइ बसे मई थारगा लेरपा सिदगी अखोइ जे लेफम खंगदना सोमना कंजे ngakpa yaba mayam ama nga e nga aga sunga maktare sinadi upai letre mapangan kan ba sanoina ason ba han sing ji ju nupi angang sing je nakanama da thaidok piro haina hairakpa degi di pau pirakpa degi di mathang chakka du balambi sidi kuki na loina rang tok sin khraga legrabani akhoi gi lekai da cheng ko lok hairiba lok se yamna phattaba amotpa thadaba mafam nina yamna yengning daba hangoina ba mafam ni adugi turen sida ahingi pung baro sida akhoi mayam se mi mathang loina लालगा चले mathang mathang akan ba mi singjina asona na singje thangtokpire satpire aduga aigi ipado mamit udabani na madi satpa jengam dere mayam di satna gare aina baba nang natom ta sidali hawbo yaroi chasilao hai isa sanoi chakharo da ipadi mi chu ude ahan ju oire adum sida hauragi haina baba sin hai aina baba kadi gino na sa mayam lei sidi hai raga baba se khut sammaga ahingi pung barodu da turen je lalaga turen ji ju jali na sangban khabane mayam changaga thudega yamna wana maitai society da khara aduga oza gopi mohon hoi haina laye adugi da khara mayam je thairaga thamme mayam je thairaga thamma matam ji da akhoi lekai gi ahan na adubai loina thamgra matung sida mukka kramaina tawi lekai gi naha mapangan kanba inkhalai ba naha singjina somdadi kuki na mai tharako da mayok na ri ni mayok na basi kari na mayok na rai moi di no moi ni kapai je akhoi metai masagi di upai leite thang nu nauri natan upai leite matam do moi loina ada laikhira ai do nupa mayam du gi marakta ai itong khakta oi kheba numitu da nupi je nupa mayam du gi aina kari pi gi ai gi yumda leiba thang pu thoga piba nung pha aga moi da mateng pangba nauri maru oina ba khullaga piba adudagi di utuk piba moi hai ibe manangli hawro mayam di somda loina chakre nupi mayam ahan mayam lefam sida layo nang na tomda sida yauri se kari gi no hai aina kari gi no ai gi lekai gi ibung ipa mayam na asuk yam na waraba mayok na raba makhoi mayam mama pa lai diba masin manaw mayam je soida ngam da na ba haina ngakpi senbiraga aina kai dobi ga da tumina lai thoka duino ai su ai gi angam ma mateng pang ge haina ai gi hotel je thogai raga ising freezer digi ising je lakthoga moi da jen biba adudagi moi gi nungumba naurigum utukumba je piraga moi se tumaina mayok na raga yamna wana leire yamna wana leire matung sida amaka pung ani makhai tarakpa sai waida 27 sector gi Assam Rifle na noi lawala ani haibegi pau se mo haire emo 27 sector gi Assam Rifle na lawala ani haraga ju thokpadi ngamdaba pung ahum dagi haure line lepase pung ahum dagi line lepase yamna mi amaga loina namnaraga mama mapa machin mana loina khusamnaraga ne thongna reise yamna wana 27 sector si yongnare khoi je moi lokhat piraga lokhat piraba matung da 27 sector si jamu kamai tawri khoi ge lanjel lang liba mi mayam se ima ipa ibung ipa sine naw mayam je lupa yang khai leiba mi na lupa tara piba mineral bottle se lupa yang khai piye lupa yang khai leiba mi na ising je thakpa phange aduga disposal glass quite the small size se sangang magi bot disposal tang khai sangang lupa kun leiba mi na sangang je thakpa phange खुदक तो दमाई थारगा मना ममा मचा मबुंग मपा कराई नो हाइना हिंगना पा हाइना लाखो मतम द खुत्ता दि लुपा तरा पाई दब लुपा मा पाइरक तब मयाम मने सुंयाव याव द दिसु लाइनी आई इसामक जु सुंयाव यावरकते इसिंग थांगिंग बदो इसिंग थकवा फंगदे चानिंग बा थांगिंग बा कया मसा बा थकवा फंगदने लाई अदुगा अदुगी मारक सिदा अमुक्रा माइना तौरी खोइगे लेकाई गी इनी अमखा मासे पाखतपदगी सिलिंडर पोखाइबा नोंमै कापा नोंमैना कापपदा पानबा जुगुमा मयाम सिदगी थुकतपदगी माजे वानथाबा मतम सिदा मागी इसिंग खितांग द पिथक पिरगा लवाइद इसिंग खितांग थाबिरगा ग्यान लाकदुबा इने से इसिंग फंगदबनिना अदुम खुदक्तमा अदुमागी पुंसी लोइबा हाइबदो अदुम लोइखरे मागी थवाई पुंसी लोइबा मतम दुदा ममा मचा जु थेंगनदे मागी मपुरैबा जु थेंगनदे ममौ जु थेंगनदे लांजे लगा लेरिबा मी मयाम सिंगसिना कनानो हारगा फिदी दम कुपसि लगा थबिरबा मागी मचा फैमिली जी कबाई द लेपनो हारगा थिजिंबी दबा ये सेंदी नबा मी सु लेतबा अदुगुम्बा वाबा मयाम मा थेंगनबसी गी मरक्सिदा मु सोमदगी न कुकीना नोंमै कापसिलकनी नुंग थाजिलकनी मेतै मचा हाटकनी आइना सोमदना अमु लेरिबा मयाम जे अमुक चेनगनी अमुक पाथगनी 27 sector da leiba sipai sina puthokpirani haragadi somdadi suko puthokpidaba ason ba anaba mayam je khara hontokpa hawosida ai je isagi khara anaba leijabani na moi mayam singsina nang yaugro haraga je inthokpirakpa matam du da isa nupa ga ai ga se nga sagi yum da tholakpa matam da khutse sumaina samnaraga lakpani imai cha khut samnaraga lakpodo kaitar kari haina tawi moina tawi base lanje lakpa khoisida nang nupi ne chat khroma di nupa ne sat pa yaroi ai hai ma ai isa ne yam angang ne yam pi ibani hai ꯅꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯄꯤꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯃꯥꯒ ꯃꯆꯥꯒ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯁꯝꯅꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯠꯇꯣꯛꯄꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯪꯒꯦ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯃꯆꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯋꯥꯕꯗꯣ ꯀꯌꯥꯃꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯋꯥꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯏꯆꯥꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯅ पाइसनरगसु खुचे पाइसनरगसु मोय मी तरे निपानी इमाई चाजे सेटोपीर आई इंथोरे गेट सिगी वांगबदा yang sat kharoina isa nupa si ju tholo pasu ngamdaba mama aina kauraga mami se yengaga mami tagi mapi taraga lihawi ai su sat pangamdabi thok pangamdabi yamna wana laga ima isa gi awa se dumaina yamna wana lae mama amana masagi damakta kaya wai haibado ngasi gi thoiba irang sida thengnarapa mina khangani adugi awabagi mathakta amu kari haina wai amu isaje amuk thiba amuk phangdare isaje kamaina thiba phangde mama aidudi moina inthopiraga puthopire ai isa dudi adali hore mi gi di mama mapa machin mana loina ma sarasu punna laiminari ai gi di imita irang maraktu da yum somai sak pa ipuroi basu lei basu nataba isa su imita uba phangdaba numitu dai na waba khuado numitu dagi hongnai chorchanpur da leiriba mi mayam je lokthok loijibo ai chak charoi haidu nai sara henne megi tang ahum dagi chak charak tabaduna tang tara mathoi gi nungdangi pung baro makhai da chak sai moina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟꯗꯔꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯕꯦꯝꯃ ꯅꯪꯕꯨ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯎ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯅꯪ ꯊꯧꯅꯥ ꯍꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯏꯆꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯤꯡꯒꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯊꯦꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯦꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯔꯥ ꯍꯦꯟꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯞ ꯌꯥꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡꯒꯤ MLA ꯀꯀꯥ ꯁꯟꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯀꯧꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯦꯝꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯊꯦꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯕꯦꯝꯃ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯀꯥ ꯍꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯌꯣꯛꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯕ ꯆꯨꯔꯆꯥꯟꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ 27 ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯏꯕꯨꯡ ꯏꯄ꯭ꯋꯥ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯀꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯂꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯝꯃꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯕꯨꯡ ꯕꯤꯔꯦꯟ ꯎꯅꯕ ꯄꯨꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯀꯀꯥ ꯁꯟꯇꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯄꯨꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯄꯥꯕꯨꯡ ꯕꯤꯔꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯦ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯦ 27 ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ COCꯒ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯐꯥꯎꯅꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯊꯛꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯍꯜꯂꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯤꯠꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯎꯗꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯛꯄ ꯎꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯤ ꯆꯅꯤ ꯆꯍꯨꯝ ꯆꯥꯝꯃꯉꯥ ꯃꯤ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯅꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯗꯨ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯈꯤꯗꯔꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯏꯆꯥꯗꯣ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤna ꯏꯆꯥꯗꯣ ꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯗꯕꯅꯤna ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯗꯣ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯠꯇꯣꯛꯄꯤꯍꯧꯔꯦ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯐꯨꯕꯤꯍꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ 27 ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯍꯨꯟꯇꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯦ ꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯗꯕꯅꯤna 이베마 낭나 아둑얌나 타와이 야우리도 낭기 나사도 카이나바 두마이나 미 로이나 마 카이나라가 로이나 목 통하가 라버니 낭기 나사도 술라카니 하이 아두부 마얌 싱지나 아이기 아와보도 우바 와만바데기 모이나 아이기 세푸라가 kem hangiba mayam laiba mafam singsida mathang pau phaunaraga aigi isaje nungdangi pung 12 makhai da phage nungdangi pung 12 makhai da phangwa matamda isa nupana tang ahum dagi uraktraba isa duna mam tang 13 da thingraba matamdu da mama aigi ni aina asigumba bottle masaji gi singsi yoba ma pubire isa nupadana meri gola maga puraga lai mama mama saksa mo haru khambagi chide khumalam pakta mayam na jien bane ko aina mama gi hena sidi khagle atai dei saklam magi cha thokre hai ani cha thoibi nang cha cha bra hai hangwa matam da man hai mama mayam na dustbin hai base mayam gi amot po hu do kham ni ko adugi amot po hu do kham de gi polythene thiraga khullaga seli ba phiron da tai thoi aduga sak ni ba chale sakto saga matuma makha phangi ado aisa dare bubo ka pupu hoide pizare hai dustbin hai base mayam gi amoda kai huto pham de gi kullaga awaba mayam se
यामना वाना चुरचानपुर की IDP सिंजना थेंगनरक्पा सिंजे मयामनादि खंगबिरंबा याय खंगबिरंदबा याय अदुबु अचुक्की मतिक दि अखोय वारे रिलीफ कैम्प दा लैबसे इचादो दुमाइना फंगबा मतुंगदा अमुक आइगी लैबक थीबगी थौदोकसे करमाइना थोय इचादो न मीगी स्कूल काबा उरगा अमुक ममा आइगी जो यूनिफॉर्म लैरंबनी मैसा अमनी लारिक सुमाई चामनी आइगी स्कूल काबा फंगरोय हैना अमुक कपगा अमुक लैरमे इचागी स्कूल काबा फंगदबगी हैना मफम गुदिंगी चंगगा हाइजरुबा मतमदा क्लास 9 10 गी दि सीट फंगदरे सीट लैतरे मोयगी दि ट्रांसफर सी एम यावद्रगा दि मिंग चनबा यारोय हैना मु हायरे मागी मिंग चनबगी तानबा चेंथोक चिनसिन चेलिंगाय मतमसिदा मु इचाजे मु मांगरे मु इचा मु थीबा मु फंगदरे लान गी अवाबने इपुरबा लैतबगी अवाबने यु मैचापगी अवाबने अदुगी मथाक्ता मु कसु इचाजे था अहुम मरी अमुक थीबा मु फंगदरे ममा मना मसागी दमकता सुक्की मति वाय हैबसे आई अंगांग अमोइना आइवंद पाले अदु आई गुम्बा मराई बक्तिरबा लै बक्तिरबा लुखाबी कया अमा मसागी दमकता वारम गनी लारिक तंगबगी मचान सानी बपिजा बंगमदबगी सेनिंग बपिरो सेबे बंगदबगी ममा मपा ओइबा लांजेला इबा खुदी मई चाई चाई द मक्ता कल्लगा तौना लैने हिंजी आई गसी यामना कनागुम्बा ममा मपा लैबा सिंगनदी लांजेला अगसु ममागा मपागा पुन्ना लैबा मचा सिंगदी ममा दुना हैरमगनी मपा दुदा इचाजे करी थबक सुरगा लरिक तमहनजिगे हैना वरी सनारमगनी आइगी ददु लैबा नते इचादुना ममा मीना सेलिबा खुंग्राउजी सिगुम्बा सेनिंगे हैबा मतमदा इसु युमदा लरिंगाय दुदि लैबंगा मी हुजिके ngamde मीगी मचादुना ममागा मखु समनरगा सारबा पोदा मचाबा मतमदा ममा हैरपा मतमदा ममा ओइबा कोइगी तमोइददि इचादु पिजनिगा सु पिजबा ngamdaba selhaniga सु selhanba ngamdaba ममा ओइबा लुखाबी कया कया आइगुम्बा कया कया लैरमगनी इसा अमना लान मरक्ता मु इसा अमना मु इसा अमगी असा द लैरमबदुसु इसा अमदुसु लानजिना मरम ओइरगा लरिक मखा तम थानबा ngamdabadagi मासुमान निजरिबा सादो काइबदगी इसा दो मसामजु कौ यारक्तबा फिबम चारक्तबदगी आइसु तोफंग खंगक्तदना माना हुजी अमु बेंगलोर दा अमु ममा आई सुमाइना लैरगदी आई ngammaroi आई इनाउ नुपागी लरिक तमनबगी दमक्ता आई लरिक तंबा याद्रे आई मागी पैसा तानगे हैना अमु चटखरे अमु करम्बा मफा करम्बा ममाना करम्बा मपाना लान सिगी मनुंग सिदा इचा कोनसिलगा लैगदु मतमदा नोंमै कामनारक्पा मतमदुदा इचा अनिमक उबा फंगदबा असिदा नोंमै कामना हौरे सिदा मिछि हौरे हैबा मतमदा अंगाउबि
इमा पबुंग अमदि इबुंग इपा मयामबु
थालतरियोना मसिगे अखोइगे मणिपुर स्टूडेंट एसोसिएशन दिल्ली मणिपुर इनोवेटिव यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दिल्ली यूनाइटेड कक्सिंग स्टूडेंट्स यूनिकास दिल्ली मैथई कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कमिटी अखोई मरीना पुंजलगा सिनबा अखोइगे मणिपुर तंगुरोय तादना लैरइबा चही अनि सुरक्पगी पालन तौबसिदा मयाम लेंग्रेबु पुनमपु अहालमक्तदा इकाई खुमनबु पुजरी हौकिबा 2023 की मेगी तांग अहुमदगी हौरखिबा असिगे कांगरुप अनिगी इरांग असि अखोइना हंकन येंगुबा कांददी अखोइगे 1949 दा तौखिबा भारत लैंगाकना अखोइगी मणिपुर सिबु लौसनखिबा अदुदगिसु अखोइना अदुदगी हौरपनि हाइनासु येंगबसु यारिबनि अखोइगी मणिपुर सिदा थोलैबा तोंगान तोंगानबा इंसर्जेंसी की प्रॉब्लम मैम मसिबु अखोइना सॉर्ट आउट तौनबनि मसिबु थेंगनबा इदमतनि हाइना थमखिबा अदुगुंबा काउंटर इंसर्जेंसी एजेंट जमो फॉर्म तौरखिबा कुकी खुलाई पाइबसिंग असिबु असिगी भारत लैंगाकना योखतना थमुना मरम ओइरगा असिगी अखोइगी मणिपुरगी पुनमगी सक्तमदा मणिपुरगी लैसरंबा इंडिजिनस कम्युनिटी सिंगदा अचौबा थ्रेट अमा लाक्तुना ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯝꯕ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯕꯨ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯏꯊꯅꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯆꯦꯠ ꯃꯆꯦꯠ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯜꯂꯥꯎ ꯑꯁꯤꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯁ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯟꯖꯦꯟꯅꯔꯛꯑꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ IDPꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯍꯟꯖꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯅꯕ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯦꯡ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯨꯝ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯎꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯤꯠ ꯁꯥꯍꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯀꯗꯥꯏ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯦ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇꯨꯗ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯕꯁ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯁꯣꯛꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯟꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯗꯥꯏꯇ ꯂꯧꯗꯣꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯩꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯂꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯗꯥꯏꯇꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯦꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯀꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯒꯦ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯅ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯏꯃꯥꯅ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯔꯦ
ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯔꯩꯆꯥ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯏꯀꯣꯛꯅꯣꯅ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ and a warm welcome all of you. We delight to see so many Iresa here today. We on behalf of DMCC, I extend my warm welcome to all Iresa and distinguished guests, Maira Paibi, IDPB and the media persons who add value to this event. On this day, the 3rd day of May 2023, Kukinako terrorists have burned 100 Maitai village and 60,000 people had rendered homeless. An innocent woman and a children have raped and brutally killed by Kukijo community. This violence has been completed 2 years today. Further, their demand separate administration had fueled this violence deeper. Now, where is our destiny? Where are our long history, where our forefathers had ruled the kingdom? Today gathering is mark of unity and so to fight against our enemy called the Kukijo community. We are grateful your presence and commitment as a Kanglisa to show the solidarity and unity. The future, the best way to predict our future is to create it together. Lastly, I welcome all the Iresa who are present here today. Manipuri Mana? Manipuri Mana? Thank you.
Makido Jai Jagayan